Welcome back to Blind Man Morris. And have you lost the alignment mark on your prop shaft? Oops. So this can occur when you're doing jobs like replacing your universal joints or doing your differential oil seal. You get the jobs done, get a bit eager, and you spray everything down with brake cleaner to clean it up before you put it back on and grease it, and you wipe away your alignment mark. Oops. Don't panic. You could only really get your prop shaft 180 degrees on the Morris. I'm going to go underneath and show you how to clock your flange. So we are underneath the car, and I am pointing to the bolt on the collar of your prop shaft. That's the collar that side. This side is the flange, and what we're going to do is you're going to mark the prop shaft there, number 1. You're going to mark the flange 1, 2, 3 and 4. So prop shaft side number 1, flange side number 1. You're going to bolt it up. You're going to take your car for a test drive, and if there's vibration, you know you've got your alignment 180 degrees out. So all you do is you unbolt your bolts, you flip your prop shaft from number 1 here on the prop shaft to number 3 over on that side on your flange, and re-bolt it back up, and that should realign your prop shaft. Now on a Morris you can only get it out 180 degrees, but I'm assuming on a lot of other cars, maybe even some old BMC stock, that the collar and prop shaft flange are equidistant holes, so you could get it 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees out. But you can use the method again, so you can go 1 to 3 and then 1 to 2 and then 1 to 4 on your test drives to realign your prop shaft. And there we go.